She would often say he treated her better than any other man, her dad included. She enjoyed the attention from him. I know.
So I'm taking out some of these words first of all, but y'all, I forgot this happened. I'm actually sitting here like, wait, wait. Then it dawned on me what happened in this storyline. I forgot about this. I wrote this book in 2009. Now imagine you wrote a journal entry in 2009. If you read it today, you're probably gonna ask yourself, what was I going through at that time? Yeah, I forgot about this. I remember what happened with the teacher, but I forgot, I forgot the whole. The, mm, I'm just. Oh, okay. Continue, girl. Just continue, child.
I know. I just wish things could have been different. Wish things could have been different. We all do. Lately, I've been trying to think of things we could do to hopefully prevent this from happening to anyone else. You know, I would
I was very wordy back then.
prevent this from happening to anyone else. You know, I would love to help. Please keep me posted on whatever you come up with, and if I think of anything, I'll let you know. I would love to help. Please keep me posted on whatever you come up with, and if I think of anything, I'll let you know. That sounds good. Well, I'll let you go. I just wanted to check on you and your husband and to make sure you were updated on this case. Thank you so much for keeping me informed. I'm sure we'll be talking again soon. Yes, definitely. Okay, well, take care. You too. Bye. Bye. What
Why?
happened? Mark
Why?
asks once I hang up the phone. That was Mrs. Jones giving me an update on Smith's case. Any new developments?
Why? Why, y'all? Why? Why they had to say bye, bye, bye? Why? Okay. Don't pay me no mind, child. I'm going through this, making some edits. I'm getting it ready for Audible. But I came on here because I was just outdone. That I had forgotten about this whole part of the storyline. I forgot what I forgot. Just I forgot. You know how y'all felt if you read Dirty Little Secrets already? You know how you felt when the incident happened in Walmart? When she and her husband went to Walmart and that incident happened? That's how I felt when I came to this part. I was like, wait, wait. Did wait. I forgot. I'm outdone. Okay. Let me go. Let me go. Let me continue, child, so y'all can read this. Listen to this and read it because I'm updating it. Okay. This is the second version or second edition, I should say. Because, yeah, yeah.